For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Many people have struggled with weight loss at one point in their lives. Weight loss advice and hacks can be found a dime a dozen on the internet and other platforms. Many people also find themselves bombarded with weight loss advice from family, friends, and concerned acquaintances. Along with the good weight loss advice floating around, many myths also travel from one person to another. Here are a few weight loss myths you should be aware of. A calorie is a measure of energy. As such, all calories have the same energy content. That being said, all calorie sources do not have the same effect on our weight. Different foods go through different metabolic pathways and also have different effects on hunger and body weight regulating hormones. For example, a protein calorie is not the same as a fat calorie. While a protein calorie can boost the metabolic rate and optimize the function of some weight regulating hormones, fats contain more calorie per gram than carbohydrates or proteins. Many people believe that weight loss is a linear process. In other words, if you perform similar activities and have an intake of similar foods, your weight loss or gain will be constant. This is one of the most common myths about weight loss. Weight loss is not linear. On the contrary, it is normal for body weight to fluctuate by a few pounds. This is very common in women as during menstruation, the body retains more water, thus adding to the water weight in the body. The weight loss industry is a high revenue industry. As such, weight loss supplements are a huge business. While many claim supplements have a huge impact on weight loss, no studies have proved so till date. Supplements have a small impact on weight loss, while the best ones may help you shed small amount of weight over a period of time. It is wrong to say that weight loss only depends on willpower and exercise combined with a proper diet. Being overweight, especially obese, is linked to several genetic variables and medical conditions like PCOS, depression, and hypothyroidism. The human body has numerous hormones and biological pathways that are responsible to regulate the body's weight. Obesity tends to negatively impact these functions, thus making weight loss in obese people more than mere willpower and diet. Low-carb diets can aid in weight loss. As long as the carbohydrate intake is low and protein intake is high, weight loss is possible. But not all carbs lead to weight gain. While whole carb foods like oats and sweet potatoes are good for health, refined carbs like sugar is responsible for weight gain.